In the quietude of this moment, you are not just a spectator, but an integral part of the universe. You are stardust. You are the ebb and flow of tides. You are the whisper of winds against ancient mountains. There's a deep-seated interconnectedness in our existence, a thread linking us to the cosmos itself. Every thought you harbor, every desire that flutters in your heart, they are not just your solitary musings, but a vital piece of the universal puzzle. They echo in the vastness of the cosmos, reverberating, resonating. This is where the concept of manifestation finds its roots. Imagine it as a process of weaving reality from the loom of your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. It's about making the intangible tangible, about turning the abstract into something concrete. Just as a seed holds the promise of a blooming flower, your thoughts hold the potential of your reality. Consider the story of a farmer. This farmer, with hands worn by toil and heart brimming with hope, plants seeds in the fertile soil. Each seed is a promise, a potential bounty waiting to be realized. The farmer tends to these seeds with love, care, and patience, never doubting the power within them, the life force they carry. He understands the rhythm of nature, of seasons and cycles. He knows that each seed will sprout, will grow, will bear fruit when the time is right. He trusts the process, the divine order of things. And this trust, my friends, this unwavering belief, is not unlike the process of manifestation. Just as the farmer plants seeds and trusts they will grow, so too must we plant our desires, our dreams in the fertile ground of our consciousness. We must nurture them, believe in them, trust in their fruition. Like the farmer, trust in the blossoming of your desires, for it is the certainty of this belief that waters the seeds of manifestation. The universe is not a miserly landlord, but a generous host. Think of it as a grand cosmic banquet laid out with every conceivable delight. This is the concept of abundance. The universe, in its overwhelming expanse, is a treasure trove of boundless resources, capable of providing far more than we could ever need or desire. When we manifest, we are not dipping our hands into a finite, dwindling well. Instead, we are reaching out to an ever-flowing river, an unending stream of possibilities. Each wish, each desire is but a ripple on the surface, causing no depletion, no scarcity. It's an endless dance of giving and receiving, an eternal cycle of abundance. So when you set your intentions, do so with the knowledge that you're not taking away from anyone or anything. Remember, the universe is always ready to provide, and your desires are not a demand, but a welcome request. You have control of your destiny. Manifest it, see it, it is in your reach.